and welcome to this video. Hey, I just posted something about a snippet for putting a 5-year expiration on a course certificate, and I apologize, I actually posted the wrong shortcode, so I'm going to correct that, and in addition perhaps present something that might be good for troubleshooting. So let's take it from the top. Here's the actual certificate, and it's assigned to a course, and I have in here my shortcode. So here's the shortcode. And again, it starts with the square brackets, and inside the square brackets we have course info. So we know this needs to be assigned to a course. It can't work if it's assigned to a quiz or assigned to a group. And in here is a parameter called show, and the value of this within quote marks is certificate underscore expiry underscore 5 underscore year. So that's the proper value for this attribute for this shortcode. Now, if I go into my profile over here, and I see that I have one here for Andrea Buccelli. If I right click and open this link in a new tab and then go to the new tab, I see here is the actual certificate expiration in 5 years. So this course was completed on August 15th. And I've added 5 years, so this is what, 2022, so 5 plus 22 is 27. So this is working here. And what's good is that there's some techniques we can use in case it's not working. The first is we want to verify this course is actually completed. Now if I look over here, you see that the code actually gets a user meta. So it gets user meta. And this is called the key. It's course underscore completed underscore. And then over here is the post ID, which in this case is equal to 2003. In fact, if I go here to, in fact, this is the plugin. This is the handy plugin that I recommend you get, JSM's Show User Meta. And with this plugin installed and activated, if I go into my profile and I look down here, I see all the user meta. This adds this meta box here, and so we can see the user meta. So again, what are we looking for? We're looking for course completed underscore 2003. And the reason I know that is if I go into my courses over here and I hover over Andrea Buccelli, at the bottom I can see that's post 2003. Let me do that again, post 2003. Or if you install another plugin called Show IDs, you get it right over here, which makes it kind of handy, but that's the post ID. So again, let's get back to what we're doing. We'll go here and we're looking for a course completed 2003. So let's basically go down here. Here's some, but here's one. Oh, here it is right here. So here's the one that we want, and this ends with 0879. So I'm going to bring my code in here. I'm going to set up a breakpoint. Again, you don't need to do this. This is the kind of advanced things. And I'll go over here to my admin, and I want to go here, and let's go up here, and let's get this again. So I'm going to bring this over, turn on my breakpoint, and set a breakpoint right here. And then I'll go ahead and look at the course. So here we go, Andrew Buccelli, open link in a new tab. Here's a new tab. It's going to try to render that certificate that has that shortcode on there, and I should hit this breakpoint. Now you notice I hit the breakpoint. Now the timestamp comes in here, so I'm going to advance this to here, and it's going to stop right here. So let's do that. Now if I look at the timestamp, you see it ends with what? 0879. So that should correlate with what we saw over here. So again, that would be in our profile user meta for 2003. Let's look for that. Course completed 2003. Where is that? That's right here. And again, these should match. 879 is the end. And again, 879. So we're getting the right data. We're basically adding 5 years to it, and we're formatting it and sending it back. So let's go ahead and do that. Now it's done. Now if we go back over here, this should render over here if I can find it. Here it is. And here's the proper date. So it's all working. So again, to troubleshoot this, you want to make sure that the course completed for that post ID that matches your course ID is actually there. In other words, did they really complete the course? Is it there? Is the shortcode the proper one? Because I did make a mistake. 2, if it's the proper one, is the course, is it a course the certificate is assigned to? Because this basically extends that course info shortcode. It extends it with a new attribute. And then I guess that's about it. It should work. So if it doesn't work, let me know. Thank you for watching.